Hello and welcome to the MyMoto YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to remove, replace and adjust the visor on the Concept XE and the Concept X and Rapide, which were the previous versions of this helmet. All three were the same. Some were the 2205 standard and some were to the 2206 standard, and that's where that change happened. But the visor mechanism stayed the same throughout. So the way to do the visor change on this is slightly different to all of the other Arais that you'll see. It's the only one where the screws are exposed and on the outside, where normally they're underneath a clipped-on side plate. So to remove this visor, what we need to do is you can use a 1P. You've got nice big slots on the screws, and this is a perfect size to get into those screws without chewing it up. And these screws are slightly different to the screws that you'll find on things like the RX-7 and the Quantic. They're slightly longer and they've got a slightly larger head on them so that they can hold that plate in, and you can use a coin to remove them. Make sure you don't lose them. They are clear, so if you drop them they're hard to see. But also if you do lose one and you're looking for a replacement one, it needs to be specific to this helmet. It is not the usual Arai clear screws. Once you've undone them screws, then you can literally just lift it by the latch. The visor will come away and you'll see that it keeps hold of the mechanism on both sides. They're still stuck to the visor. To remove that, simply press down on the lower section of the outer plate until it unclips. That then comes away. Then with the inner plate, rotate that all the way to the top, where you'll see it then releases off the brass peg and out of this extended section of slot there. Same on the other side, so push down on the lower plate until it unclips at the bottom. Lift it up so it can unhook off the top edge. Then simply rotate this all the way to the top so that the inner plate removes as well. If you ever get these all mixed up, then they're quite simple to work with. If you look on the inside of the outer plate, you'll see a little Vas-V and R for right. And then same again on the inner plate, it says Vas-V R. So you know those two go together. The other two obviously got L on them. So when you want to put these on, simply get the inner plate, check the writing is the correct way up, so you know you've got it in the right orientation. Put that on the inside of the visor, and you want to line up this so it goes through at the top, and then line that brass peg up with the end of that slot. Push until it's on and then just slide it along a little bit and it will stay in position. Once you've done that, you can then get the outer plate. So this one, you'll see it has a little hook at the top. So again, check your writing is the right way up. You've got a little hook at the top there. That hook is going to go over the top and you can see the slot where it goes into. So a little hook goes over there, and then at the bottom we've got a little clip there. Press it together, squeeze it until you hear that click. They're then in position and ready to go back on. Same again with the other side. So we'll line that up, drop that into there, push that peg through and rotate it slightly. Then get the outer plate, hook that over the top and squeeze it together until you hear that click. Once we've done that, you can then put the visor on, get your screws and just drop them in, and then a few turns, just hold that visor in place is all it needs at first. So now we've got all those screws in loose. The easiest way to set this visor so it will work for you every time is to just push it down and latch it. Once it's latched over that, it'll be nice and centered to that. Then just give it a little squeeze backwards on each side. Tighten those screws up to hold it into position. There you go. Once those are tightened up, you can then lift the visor, check it goes down and latches nice and easy, and that's it, job done. So hopefully if you've got one of these helmets and you're struggling with the visor, that's going to help you a little bit. Or if you're thinking of buying one of these helmets and you weren't sure how it worked, that explains it for you. Thank you for watching. please like and subscribe. If you've got any other questions about this helmet or any of the other kit that we sell, then put it in the comments. If you want to see videos on anything specific, again, put it in the comments and we'll get back to you. And we'll try and do the videos for you as well. If you want to support the MyMoto YouTube channel, then please, next time you're thinking of buying any motorcycle kit, check us out first. We've got 3 shops. We've got a shop in Manchester, a shop in Leeds, and a shop in Claycross in Derbyshire. So come and check out our shops, or alternatively, if you can't make it to our shops, then go on to our websites, which are mymotoclothing.co.uk or dstoremanchester.co.uk. We run some amazing deals and we've got a really good range of kit, so come and check us out first. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Until next time, ride safe.